this time, oh, take this slow. We've got miles behind us, but miles to go. So let's just break this down to the simplest truth. You and I as one will always be better than two. The leaves ain't waiting, their colors changing like the times. And I'm taking, darling, would you be mine? And I hope you know I will love you for the rest of my life.
If you're new to our channel, I'd like to welcome you to Sunbum's Adventures. If you watched us from the beginning, you already know how we came about traveling. But a few years ago, we sold our house, sold about everything we had. We bought a 39-foot lagoon catamaran down in Cartagena, Colombia. Spent a couple months down there working on it, fixing it up. We did that for 2 years, and then we sold that and bought our Brinkley. Now we're cruising around in our Brinkley in the United States and just out adventuring and doing it while we still can. And we're doing these videos so we can go back later on in the future and see what we did, where we've been. We do this for fun, so hope you guys enjoy what we do and maybe learn from our mistakes, or leave a comment if you have any questions on any of the videos. So I encourage you to go back to the beginning and watch our whole journey along life's venture. Thanks for watching.
Good morning, guys. We are just getting ready to leave Tennessee. Yesterday morning it was 11. This morning it is 16. We've had enough of the cold, so we're gonna try to head south. So here we go. Really should have had on gloves this morning. My hands are frozen. And I need a heavier coat, but I don't want to take a heavier coat with me, so I'm freezing. I'm ready to get in the truck. Let's go. Eric, I have one important question for you this morning.
What's that?
Do you have your wallet?
Yes, I got my phone too.
Okay.
Okay, let me get that.
We're good to go then, huh? So,
did you tell them we stick a little
no, I was getting ready to.
Oh, okay.
So this is our vehicle we leave at home, or leave where we stay. So this is a solar panel that trickle charges the batteries. So last time we left, we stuck it on top, but Eric figured out you can plug it into the cigarette lighter and it will charge your batteries.
Yep.
See how I question this stuff? So like I said, it's really cold, so our plants can't stay in the camper. So we're having to try this. It might be a mess. We'll see. How about you?
I wanted to say something about the shocks. I'm excited to see how the shocks pull, how the trailer pull with the new shocks I put on.
We'll hit some bumps.
I try to miss those. But...
We'll see how it goes. Yes, I don't have my seatbelt on, but I'm working on it. This is the little entrance to our road that I told you about before. I closed my eyes for this section. Cleared my way. Now I'm closing my eyes.
Put your arm around, I can't see.
Okay. I don't like it because we almost have to go in the ditch to get out.
Yeah.
But Eric does fine with it, and I just need to keep my mouth shut and close my eyes. Really said where we're going today.
We didn't?
I don't think so.
Where are we going?
I think I just said we're going somewhere warmer. And it's already warmer because when we left it was 16 and now it's 54.
You know, I was gonna surprise them and say it's like 30 degrees warmer than when we left. Then you would think it's like 80 out, but no, we started at like, I don't know what,
16.
16.
Mm-hmm.
Welcome to Arkansas.
It is warmer. We are making our way to Texas. Texas what? North of Dallas a little bit.
Yeah.
I forget what it's called.
Lake Ray Roberts.
Yeah, that's
I think it's called Pilot Point, Texas. But we're just going there because it's decently close to my brother's. And then closer to Christmas, we're going closer to the Grapevine area to be closer to my brother for Christmas. My brother and his family. We gotta go see JoJo, really. So we're gonna
say that because they don't watch our videos, so they won't know different.
No, they won't. They won't.
They won't know why we're actually going.
So we're going down there for Christmas, and then after Christmas, we're gonna head to South Texas and see what we can find. It's not Brinkley Customer Care.
Nope, it's the city of Brinkley.
Brinkley, Arkansas.
This is Willow Beach State Park in Arkansas, just outside of, oh, the fly just went, nope, go. Just outside of Little Rock, Arkansas.
So right now it seems very quiet. I think we booked online and it was $26.
$26 a night. Part of their campground's closed. Half of it, I guess. And
Just
so
for the winter?
Yeah, I think
Okay.
so. And so they only have, how many did you say? Like 25 or so that are available. And when I looked down online, only half of them were booked, and that was mainly all the waterside or riverside or lakeside sites. But we got site number 1. It'll fit an 80-foot rig and an easy in, easy out. It's a back end, but that's fine.
And we're just here for one night, so good stop. Looks really quiet here. Oh my goodness, it's really pretty here and really quiet.
What kind of leaf is it?
A sycamore leaf.
Sycamore leaf. These things that are like about as big as my hand, all along through here. So anyways, we're in spot F1. That's the first one. Says it's for an 80-foot. I believe it. So far, very enjoyable campground. Of course, it's not the season for camping.
Even if it was, I think it'd be nice.
Yeah,
There's only 20-something campsites.
65 out right now. So yeah, peaceful, quiet river or lake right there. Anyways, not much to say. Water, electric, and there's a dump station up near the entrance, concrete pads. Very nice. Quick review on this campground. Willow Beach Campground, State Park, something like that. Here's at the edge end of the park. Over here, and then they got a little turnaround here with restrooms. I don't know if there's showers in there or not. I'll have to go take a look. Oh, at the camera, that's like a woodpecker or something right there. It's kind of neat looking. Their restrooms, they are heated, and it's probably 80 degrees in here. Clean and warm. Well, I guess if it's 80, it's warm, because it's maybe 60, 65 outside and 80 degrees in there, so it's pretty nice. Okay. Got spot F21 right there. That may be all the spots they have. That'd be a really nice spot. At the very end. You're backing up to the woods into the water, and your campsite is right by the water, so that'd be probably the premium spot right now. Looks like someone's having a picnic there. All right, if you guys can see this, we're over here in this campground site area. I think this other part over here is closed. If you can see that. I don't know if there'll be a map somewhere. I'll try to get that on there. Here's that other part of the campground that doesn't really show up online. I don't know if it's closed for the season or they closed it permanently, but they call this like that was spot G1 over there, so this is probably spot G2. But if you look at that, they don't have water, just power, but they're really dirty. And I looked at one over there and it had mud daubers in all the holes, so he might not have used this spot. There'd be another 15-20 spots right along through here. I don't know. Here's a spigot, so you'd have to hook up to your spigot. Oh, they have it turned off, so maybe they just don't use the G spot in the winter time. Just keep it rolling up in the other spot. Don't know. Nice view though. I'd recommend this place to anybody. It's a 14 limit stay and $26 a day. Man, is that what a deal.
Eric was fussing at me to get out of the bed this morning
Blue Heron Parkway,
because he wanted to leave at 9 a.m. 8:58.
Yeah, 2 minutes to...
I could have slept 2 more minutes.
That's right. Or waddled around in the bed.
Yeah, it was so comfy. All right, we're headed to Texas. 1 night stay here, which was very nice. I would love to come back sometime. What's your verdict on the new shocks?
Hey, I was gonna do a separate section on it. You know, I was gonna...
You can cut this out then. We won't do it now.
Well, I maybe I still tell you, and if I don't like it, I'll cut it out. But I was gonna wait, you know, a month or so and report on it.
But we can report
But we've
now.
gone, let's see, 850 miles since putting them on. And Little Rock was very jittery, bumpy. And some parts of Texas were very rolly, bouncy. And maybe only once or twice we felt the trailer chucking, maybe. And if it did,
it's a lot less than
if it did,
before.
it did it just like once. So I think it's probably one of the better $580 we spent to improve the trailer.
I agree.
I mean, the Gen Wide hitch does a lot, but you add those springs with it,
Shocks.
the shocks with it,
Now we should pay attention.
and it's a little better. All right, let's see what we do here.